At this time, the Guard of Honor will prepare for the march past, followed by the uniform groups, and then the exit of the combined massed bands and drums. The percussion drum line of the swing march sets the beat as the Guard of Honor furnished by the Jamaica Combined Cadet Force makes a left wheel in order to give the eyes right as the final salute before they exit the field. Swing march has a catchy beat, ladies and gentlemen. As they approach these saluting days, the band shifts gear. The tune, De Cordova, the regimental march of the Jamaica Combined Cadet Force, is being played at the March Hall. They can be justly proud having participated the mounting of the ceremonial Guard of Honor on this, the 64th anniversary of Jamaica's independence. The band returns to the drum line of the swing march. Ladies and gentlemen, composed by Henry Mancini. The swing march has a very catchy beat, and therefore, if you're feeling the rhythm, then you can go right ahead and tap your feet to the beat of the music. Guard of Honor is followed by members of the uniformed groups, Jamaica Combined Cadet Force, the Boys Brigade, the Girls Brigade, the Scouts Association of Jamaica, the Jamaica Red Cross, the Girl Scouts, the Royal Mission Cadet Corps, the National Inter-Schools Brigade, the Pathfinders, the Ocean Blue Jamaica Cadet Corps, marching off these parade grounds, being justly proud, having participated in the Grand Gala celebrations, ceremonial Grand Gala celebrations for 2026. Now to exit the field is the combined massed bands and drums of the 64th Independence Grand Gala. Band, the Jamaica Constabulary Force Band, the Jamaica Combined Cadet Force Band, the Corps of Drums of the Jamaica Regiment, and the Corps of Drums of the Department of Correctional Services. And therefore, ladies and gentlemen, it is aptly fitting that you can cheer, you can clap, you can give them a round of applause for having represented themselves here this afternoon. The marching off of the mass bands and drums concludes the ceremonial aspect of our Grand Gala celebrations. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, the field has now been cleared, the stage has been set. You will now be treated to the displays, demonstrations,